them after the first episode. And here's Jed. So, ano masasabi mo sa first episode ng podcast?
It was very entertaining. Actually, I was the one in charge of switching the scenes. Kasi, I wasn't expecting na ganyan kabilis lang pala yung mag-podcast.
What the... Ano masasabi mo sa first episode?
Ang buhay pa in life. Yun talagang buhay.
Ano?
Second time namin mag-podcast nito at mas big production siya. Nakapay dati. So una pa makaka-pressure, tama, Jed, makaka-pressure. Lalo si Jed. Pero kakayanin, syempre. Para makapasa, tama. Okay, good night.
Good night. Ilang episodes nyo?
3 episodes. Nagko-consist sa educator experience and other lifestyle as mental health. Sir Joel.
Ito, interview natin si Sir Joel. Ano po masasabi nyo sa podcast, sa first episode ng podcast?
Parang ayoko nang walis upuan. Sobrang comfy.
I think the best part is...
Coffee, yeah. Coffee is good. Super strong. Plus free. Unlimited.
Yun yung maganda, free. Let's ask Jay kung ano experience siya sa podcast.
Experience sa podcast. So far, nag-enjoy naman kami. Honestly, nagbuhat talaga yung mga guests namin today. So, shoot ng first episode, grabe. Ang dami namin nakuha. It was very entertaining. I was very surprised na yun yung nakuha namin result doon. Yeah, I'm just really proud. Can't wait to shoot the other 2 episodes.
Congratulations on your first podcast!